I'm often asked what makes OmniFocus unique. This is the third in a 10-part video series that highlights features that set OmniFocus apart from other task managers. OmniFocus is an aptly named app. The Omni portion of the name invites you to use OmniFocus to manage all aspects of your life and work. Focus is essential to getting your work done. Trying to focus on everything at once is inefficient and can lead to overwhelm. The Focus feature included in the Pro Edition of OmniFocus allows you to focus on a specific portion of your system and hide everything else. You may choose to focus on a folder that represents an area of life or work. You could even focus on a specific project that you want to give your full attention to. Let's look at how this works in practice. For example, let's say you're hard at work and don't want to be distracted by personal tasks. You could select your work folder, in this case Acme Consulting, and focus on it. With the folder selected, either right-click on the folder and choose Focus from the View menu, press Shift-Command-F, or click the Focus button in the toolbar. You'll see a bar across the top of the screen that shows what you're focusing on. The focus will be maintained as you switch between different perspectives. For example, if I switch to the review perspective, I'll only see Acme projects that are awaiting review. To clear the focus, choose Unfocus from the View menu, press Shift-Command-F, or click the X on the right edge of the focus bar. Let's look at how this works on the iPad. This time I'll focus on two folders, Friends and Family, and Fun and Recreation. I'll tap the bullet icon above the sidebar and tap Select. Then I'll tap to select Friends and Family and Fun and Recreation. You can go into focus mode by choosing Focus from the View menu, pressing Shift-Command-F if you have an external keyboard, or by long pressing on one of the selected folders and choosing Focus. As we saw on the Mac, this focus state will be maintained as you switch between perspectives. For example, if I tap the Review perspective, I'll see all of the projects waiting to be reviewed in the Friends and Family and Fun and Recreation folders. To clear focus, choose Unfocus from the View menu, press Shift-Command-F on a hardware keyboard, or tap the X on the focus bar. As we'll see later in this series, you can also create custom perspectives that focus on specific projects or folders, among other things. This makes it quick and easy to shift your focus to whatever you choose. You can even set up your Apple devices to focus on specific folders when you turn on a focus mode, such as Do Not Disturb. We'll cover this feature in a separate video. In the following video, I'll showcase OmniFocus's support for defer, planned, and due dates, and discuss the distinct purpose each serves. Visit learnomnifocus.com to discover how to make the most of OmniFocus and complementary productivity apps, and to access free content and resources. Join Learn OmniFocus to get access to an extensive library and to participate in interactive live sessions with OmniFocus users from around the world. This is Tim Stringer from Learn OmniFocus. Thanks for watching.